Hi y'all, today we are making the tastiest Ghana Abe Nkwan recipe, Ghana palmnutsoup recipe you've ever had. And this is how you go about it. First of all, add any meat of your choice into a pan and wash them. I often like smoked meat and fish for that flavor. You can use chicken, fish, etc. Blend your ginger, garlic, onion, and add them into the meat and fish on fire. Steam it for like 20 minutes, and when it's ready, add in your palm nut concentrate. I used Nita Benquine palm nut concentrate. You can use any palm nut concentrate you find in an African market or Mexican shop. All you have to do is add some water and mix it, and then add it to your steamed meat or fish. Now add in 1 tomato, 1 onion, and some habanero pepper. And then once it is cooked and ready, you add in kako salted fish. It gives it that flavor that you've never experienced. Take out your tomato, take out your habanero, take out your onion, blend them and add them back to the soup for that flavor. Add in prekese. This is prekese. I don't know the English name. I'll look for it. Add it for extra flavor, so you know you are having the best abenkwai ever. It is not your usual abenkwai because it has all the little things that makes it flavorful. Add in your fish. Because the fish was very soft, I didn't want it to mash in the soup, so I set it aside. And now that the soup is ready, I'm adding it to the soup. Now serve your abenkwai and eat it with anything of your choice. I ate it here with rice balls, which is called omutso in Ghana. You can eat it with fufu, you can eat it with rice, anything of your choice. Thanks for watching. Bye.